zik.yes88.com, so hundreds of children across India are attending it. It's a free program what we conduct online. Uh, this is basically multiple choice question, 5 levels, um, and then it's in mathematics, English, general knowledge, computer science, electrical electronics, and all this we conduct the program. So if the child scored more than 80% marks, they get the digital certification. Okay, there's a third segment. The fourth segment, avoidance is involved is teacher training and teacher development program. Okay, so in this particular program, we do diploma program for the teachers, uh, abacus, Vedic mathematics, and English diploma program. It's a 3 semester program. What we do yearly program, 1 year diploma program. We do it 3 semester program. We conduct it. In teacher development program, the existing teacher, if they have any kind of difficulties, they want to enhance the skill set, then we enhance the skill set in various certificate programs that we do. This we do it using with the help of another company from Bangalore, and especially they are known for this learning disability concept. Okay, so train the teachers to identify children who have this problem as learning disability. That they are really well known for that, and so we are tied up with them to conduct this kind of program for the existing teachers. Okay, so in all the 4 segment we are into. Okay, so and also very shortly we are also getting into coding for computers and coding. It's not just coding, computer for coding, computers and coding. That's from first standard to 10th standard. It's a class level coding what we are introducing it. We are working on it. In our website navavision.com, you can see the complete syllabus we have already uploaded in it. So we are in the final stages uh, of the development of this one. Okay. That's the um, what is it? Uh, segment what we are planning to do somewhere in the January or February of this particular month, next year. Sorry, then next year we are going to launch all in the big way. Okay. So why Navavision? See, Navavision also has something called as very unique concept. Okay, we have developed some app called as Navavision QR code app through which we conduct this kind of programs here. So what is this QR code app actually? It's an app where using our QR code software in an app based, you can scan this QR code which comes along with the content or the workbook or worksheets, and you can generate the videos there. Okay, that it's linked to a video now. See, for example, square root of a number or cube root of a number. If a child is not understanding any of this concept, then along with the heading there will be a QR code. So if you just scan using our app, then a small video comes which explains the complete concept here. So this is called as QR code based worksheets and workbooks, which we are developing it, and we already developed the app. You can find it in Google Store, Navavision PC there. So it's a paid app basically. It's a 1 year validity we have it. But when we go to the school and conduct this kind of program, we give the app free and we take the content, whatever the teaching we do, we charge for the children. That will come to the later parts. Okay. So basically, in other sense, we are unique in the sense that we are doing all this activity using QR code based app here. Okay, one thing. Second thing is that see Navavision from last 5 years we are doing this kind of programs in the schools of Bangalore. 120 schools in Bangalore we have done this kind of program before this coronavirus. So we had a target more than 300 schools, but unfortunately because of coronavirus and all, so it has been pending. So, but still we will reach the target. Okay, more than that we're going to reach the target. Okay, and so here what we do is we do offline program. We do have got online program. We have got live program. We have got all kind of programs here. Okay, offline program when I'm talking about this basically means that we train our teachers go to the school and conduct the program. Okay, so why this is necessary? Because in the most of the non-academic segment, so school getting any kind of teachers concerned to their, for example, cyber literacy or robotics or artificial intelligence, it's very difficult. Okay, in Vedic mathematics or anything. So what we do is we train the teachers. Our teachers go and conduct the programs in the school. That's an offline program. What we do. Okay. After this coronavirus and all, we also migrated into online program. In online, we have 2 segments. One is the pre-recorded or videos we have it online segment, and second thing is live program what we have. we use Zoom and we conduct this kind of program in the school. We are conducting also now. Okay, many schools we are conducting, academics also we are conducting, non-academic, some of the non-academic also we are conducting the program. So we conduct online and offline program, both the things. And as I explained you, the most important thing in our vision that whatever the workbook and worksheet what we provide to the children, they're all a QR code based workbook and worksheets. Academics, we already have a lot of things. We have done it, and we are providing the worksheets to the children. So sitting at home also, they can just, if they don't understand any concept, they have to just scan the QR code and they'll find the and find the video for related videos with the worksheets along with that. Okay. So this is the importance of Navovision here. So Navovision is basically Bangalore based, but we are already in Mysore, we are in Mumbai, we are in Pune, we are in Patna. Okay, so almost 25 franchises we are there. We are in the edge of we're talking to Dehradun. I think probably we will be starting Assam, Kolkata, Ahmedabad. So all this area we were pretty sure that we'll be signing them very shortly to be there, and we'll be moving into many states and many areas of India. Okay, that's how we are planning it. From last 5 years, we have been certified as the startup company by Government of Karnataka. Even we got funded by Government of India under startup schemes. Just some few 1 week or 10 days before we also got national award for the best startup in education. That's basically by the Business Mint people have awarded us also. So we are into this whole education segment last from 5 years. Previously 1 or 2 years also we have been working on that. The promoter basically we are software engineer by profession. Okay. Uh, and one promoter is the chartered accountant. So we have been working rigorously on this particular concept. So giving a new vision to the election to the education segment of it. So any child who's interested, who can do who wants to learn something better and more, something more, and who needs something help, then Navovision is there to provide. That's why we named this Navovision, new vision to the education segment. This is and see the whole franchisee models. What we're talking about now is basically in the format of master franchisees and unit franchisees and activity franchises. These are the franchisee model what we are into. Okay, so okay, so now so as I told that we are into, you can see the PDF document also. We are into school academies, we are into school non-academies, skill set program for school children. We are also into teacher training. Okay. See, many of you people may be confused what is the non-academic. So non-academic is nothing but other than regular courses or regular subject what their children learn it here. We do some kind of activities here. Okay, it is not. It's already available in the school syllabus here. If you go to the school, if you check the fee structure of the school, there's something called as extracurricular activity. What the school does it. So we provide a meaningful entry to the school and to the children who are interested in doing a lot of activities and enhance the skill set. Okay, this is basically what Navovision is into. See, for example, if a child is interested in artificial intelligence, if the child is interested in coding, we introduce the coding in the format of unplug coding initially, and we move to the next stage of coding using Python language. Then we can migrate them into artificial intelligence, machine language, and all those things we can teach them. Okay, or they can go into robotics. Okay, they can get into cyber literacy. Okay, so and also as I told that we are also introducing the coding class-wise coding also we are introducing shortly. So they can get into Java, they can get into virtual reality, they can get into many of the subjects. So we have a systematically organizedly done program here. All our content materials are developed by the Vision team. From 5 years we have been developing anything, and most of the content has been copyrighted. We are tied up with three of the best publishers in India. Notion Press from Chennai, 24 bar 7 publishers from Kolkata, and Blue Rose publisher from Delhi. Okay. So if you go to Amazon, Flipkart, search Navovision, you find a lot of our books are already they are selling it. These are basically textbook what we sell it, not the workbook or worksheet or the content. what we prepare for the children. They are all developed by us, copyrighted and printed by uh, the publishers, and they sell it and we get the royalty. This is the basic what we do it. Okay, so in essence, every content what we develop is special. Okay, this is the teamwork what we do, and we spend huge crores of rupees we spend only to develop the content. That's the advantage of Now Vision. Our contents are copyrighted, our contents are very unique, and we cater the requirement of school as well as the children, both the things. So see, basically, we are into one-stop solutions for the children. As I was telling about, we are the one-stop solution for the children needs here. Okay, so almost 25 franchises we have, and it's basically due to coronavirus, little bit slowed down, but always we have very good inquiry happening across pan India because we are very unique in education segment. This company is very unique in education segment. So why Navavision? The question is why we require Navavision franchise. You see, we are dealing with almost 30% of Indian population who are school-going children. Okay. And something around three and a half crore schools we are dealing with across India. Okay, pan India we are talking about. It's a huge population, school-going. So we are not specific about particular age group here. So we can our program starts right from LKG to 10th standard. Okay, and in coding we are also introducing coding for 11th and 12th also. Okay, that also we are coming with that. Okay. Generally we are into schooling education. So we cater the almost all the age group of requirement. We cater the schooling education. So we are dealing something around 250 to 300 million children here. Okay, so our programs are both online and offline. Okay, the books materials whatever we have developed for last 5 years, putting huge money into it, content all of copyrighted. They're very unique. You can I just I to please check Amazon, Flipkart, and all this. You find a lot of books. We keep on publishing books when we develop. We keep on publishing books and then that we release into the market. Okay. So we are open with people checking our content and all, just seeing what kind of content we develop and all this. Okay. We are in the e-book format also. We are into that part. Okay. So Navavision has a vision here. Okay, so we develop the content, we can develop the syllabus, we put a team, highly qualified team, and we work with this content. We develop the workbook, worksheets, and along with that, videos are developed. Okay, so then these videos are uniquely done such a way that by scanning the QR code, you get the videos. Okay, so wherever child wants, we are there in that. Okay, that's the basically. Okay, so why Navavision franchises? So no need of technical skill. Okay, we are there to assist you, help you, and I know so that you are successful. Okay, so schools are abundantly available in every area. It's not like a rare commodity. Okay? Wherever children are there, wherever population is there, you find schools here. And school require it. The most important thing is that school require our kind of program because first thing is that it's a win-win situation for them also, for us also, for children also. So no need for them to monitor the complete program what they're paying it because we are there to do that. Our teachers trained and we are there to monitor it. We have got worksheet, we have got workbook, we have got textbook, everything we provide. We also have the you know uh, syllabus, what we to the children, every class syllabus we have developed for it. Okay, so school can just come up with us. We don't question what they charge with the children and all. So we charge X amount and they charge some Y amount. It's up to them. We just deal with the school management and collect the fees. Okay, from the school directly. Okay, we don't deal with the parents or individually. We directly work with the school directly. That's one advantage what we have. Second thing is that our model of earnings also has got something called a center model also. So wherever we come with a franchise, we also open with a center. One center is opened here. Okay, and those children who are not getting the you know chance to learn certain things and they are interested, they can come to our center and learn it. And maybe like school may not initial school may not allow us to do it, or they have allowed us to do it. They have selected two subject or three subject, and there are vast number of subject what we're doing it. Okay, then those children who are interested in the other subject, then they can come to our center and do it. See, for example, if the school has opted abacus and Vedic mathematics, but there are few children who are interested in the uh, artificial intelligence or some other subject, then they can come to our center and learn it. So that center learning is also there. And as I told, we are into academies, is basically after school program. It's nothing but tuition program what we have it academically. Okay, and that we can conduct it, and in our centers also, because we provide lot of workbook and worksheets to children, and we conduct this kind of program, tuition program in our centers also. Okay, that's an advantage. And we are into we are into many things technologically. We have been working on many things, as we are also in software field, and we keep working on technological and all latest technology necessary. So we train the teachers. We have online training facilities where we train the teachers. We have our own toll-free numbers also. Now we are coming with a call center also to counter the requirements, and also we are in latest things, whatever is necessary for the child, our teachers. We are going to provide those things. So we are there to back up our franchises so that they can work, they can develop the contact with the schools or conduct this kind of program in the center. Okay, we are there to assist them. Okay, that's one thing. This thing. Okay. See, now how this franchising model work actually? Okay. So now, as I told that there are basically uh, before that, let us find out who are our customers basically. Okay. So our target customers are schools, B.Ed college, because we provide lot of skill set program for the teachers here. Okay, so we have a lot of skill set program for teachers. So B.Ed colleges, teacher training institute, as we told. Okay, we are into teachers training, means the lot of housewife or people who have completed the degree and all, they can come and undergo the teachers training here, and students training at the center. These are our basic target audience what we are into. And Navavision programs, in Navavision programs, we are into academics program, which I have explained is math, science, and English. Okay. Navavision non-academic program, I explained it. Basically, it is on 12 program what we are into, and also we are launching drone technology very shortly. That also I told it. Okay. Skill set programs, I told we are into skill set program, MCQ. Okay, the skill set program. So we are into college education program. This basic college education program is nothing but B.Ed college and the teachers training institute, what we're talking about. Okay. We are into teachers training program. As I explained to you, we provide like 1 year diploma program for the abacus and Vedic methods and English, that kind of program we have. Now module program, non-academic program at this franchise center, which also I have explained to you in the center we conduct this kind of program. Okay. Now, in franchisee model, now let us come to franchisee model. So basically, we have got something called as master franchises, unit franchises, and activity franchises. Okay. So master franchises, basically the territory rights are given according to the state capital or rest of the state or the metro cities. Okay. See, for example, Bangalore, we have one master franchises, and rest of Karnataka, we have another master franchise. Okay. That's how we give the two master franchises we give it. In unit franchise, basically every assembly constituency, what I'm talking about, MLA constituency, assembly constituency, one unit franchise we provide. Okay. And in activity franchises also, they're basically small franchises with 2 kilometer range we give them. Okay. To radius, whatever it is, we give them this activity franchise. Small franchise, they can opt for like coding only, they can opt for our academics only or non-academics program. They can opt some other program they do it. They're basically kids school or small activity franchise where they can conduct this kind of programs. So all the three programs we are into. Okay. So now what is this master franchise? In franchises also we have two segment franchises what we give. One is FOFO franchises we give, one is FOCO franchises. FOCO franchise is basically franchisee owned and franchisee operated model we are. Okay. You own it and you operate it, and we are there to support. Okay. This is for 5 years period of time agreement we'll have it. Okay. There's nothing but FOFO model we are into. Okay. So here the master franchisee in FOFO model we charge 25 lakh rupees. Unit franchisee, depending on the whether it's a tier 1 city or tier 2 city or tier 3 city, we charge 5 lakh rupee, 3 lakh rupee, and 2 lakh rupee. Okay. See, for example, Bangalore, we charge 5 lakh rupee per assembly constituency, whereas we go to the district headquarters like Mysore, uh, the Mysore city, we charge 3 lakh rupee, whereas the towns or the talukas which has 2 lakh rupees. Okay, so tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 city, what we have also we have. Okay, so in FOCO model, franchisee owned and franchisee operated model, where you own it, we operate it. Okay, so here we take something additional money other than franchisee fees. We take some infrastructure additional money which we will invest in your area, whichever the assembly constituency or the area what we selected, we invest there. We run there, we pay the rent, we pay the salaries, we take care of all the expenses where it is. So everything what we earn comes to the company. Here, one constant income is given to the franchisee here. Okay. So that's basically called for FOCO. There's nothing but franchisee owned company model. It is okay. I'll come to that details what it is. Okay. In franchisee owned franchise model, in FOCO model, it's around 25 lakh rupees the franchisee fees and 15 lakh rupees the infrastructure for the master franchises we charge. In unit franchisee we charge 5 lakh rupees franchisee fees and 10 lakh rupees infrastructure charges. Okay. So this franchisee fees includes the taxes also, plus tax it is actually. So it excludes the taxes. It's 25 lakh rupees plus taxes and 5 lakh rupees plus taxes. That's how we charge it. Okay. It's for 5 years model it is. Okay. In master franchisee, we collect around 40 lakh rupee. That's 25 lakh rupee plus 15 lakh rupee. And we return back in period of 5 years 1 crore 5 lakh rupee. Okay. So every month we have a structure. It starts with 75,000 something. It starts with that. Every month and every year it changes. That revenue changes. In unit franchisee, we charge on 15 lakh. That is 5 lakh plus 10 lakh. And in a period of 5 years, we give back 42 lakh rupees. Okay. So we start with 35,000 rupees per month, then 45,000 rupees per month, 60,000 rupees per month. Every third year, 60,000 rupees, 66, and 75,000 rupees in the fourth year, and uh, uh, fifth year, 1,35,000 rupees per month. It is okay. In FOCO model, one thing is that you can, after second year, if you have to convert FOCO into FOFO, then whatever we have developed it, we just hand over to you and come back. Okay. And once again, it converts into FOFO model, which is basically 70-30 model. It is okay. That I'll explain to you. Okay. So as I told, basically, uh, the FOFO model, master franchises, if you take a FOFO model as master franchises, then 10% of revenue, whatever the brand earns, goes to you in that particular complete territory what we are given. For example, if you have taken master franchisee in FOFO model for rest of Karnataka, in that case, what happens, whatever the brand earns, 10% of revenue that goes to the master franchisee. One unit franchise is given freely to them because they can set up their center in one unit franchisee. Okay, no need to pay extra. In that. Okay. 25% of the franchisee what we collect in that area goes to the master franchises also. The agreement is for 5 years. In this unit franchisee, what we allow you to set up, it is 70-30 model. 70% whatever revenue you earn will go to you, 30% comes to the brand here. That's precisely what we're telling is that other area, whatever we earn it, 10% goes to you, out of 30%, 10% goes to you. Okay. That's the FOFO model. Okay. So, and in unit franchise, as I told it, okay, 70% of the revenue earned by the unit franchise will go to the unit franchise, 30% comes to the brand. Under unit franchises, there may be many activity franchises because as we are telling one full talukas or what we are talking about, one full assembly constituency, what we are talking about, there may be a lot of areas where we may not be able to cover up. Our center may be somewhere and children or the parents may be, or the school may be in some other area. In that case, what happens, we can set up multiple activity franchises under unit franchises. So whatever we earn from there, as I told, it's also 70-30 model. So 10% whatever the revenue comes to the brand goes to the unit franchises. And 25% of the franchisee fees earned by the brand from the activity franchisee goes to the unit franchises. So if you set up 5 activity franchises, 25% of the franchise fee also goes to them. Okay. And whatever the material they purchase, it, both the books, the kits, and everything, 10% will also goes to them. The agreement is for a period of 5 years. And this is, as I told, the 70-30 model, it is for FOFO. Okay. say the program is same for unit franchisee, academic program, non-academic program, skill set program. All the program what I mentioned previously can be done in the by the unit franchises here. Okay, the difference between activity franchise and unit franchise, one difference is that activity franchise they cannot go to the school; they have to conduct the program in the center only. Whereas unit franchise they go to the school and conduct the program, school, college, or whatever education institution which is they can do that kind of program. That territorial rights will be given to them. The revenue model, as I told, school education program we have we have got college education program. This is for B.Ed colleges and what we do it. Teachers training program we do it. We also have some kind of program at the center. That's a 28-day program. We have crash courses. We have 3 days workshops. We do it. We do vacational classes. We do it, and we do like 6-month program, 1 year program. All these programs, whatever we mentioned, is there. Okay, we keep doing in our center. That all this is one more difference what we do in center and the school is that in school it's in mass what we get it. For example, we may get 300 students for abacus or 200 for a Vedic, but the fee structure varies here. Okay, so according to number of students in the school, we tie up with the school and do it. So we start as low as 100 rupees for abacus and everything. But in center, the same program is done minimum 600 rupees or 800 rupees per month. It's for 4 months program or 6 month program what we conducted. We give the kit here, 1,000 rupees we collect for the admission. So all this, there's a difference between what we do in center and the school. Content was there's no major difference. Only thing is that here in center we take 10 students or 15 students max. Children are taken for in a and we conduct the program. In the school it will be mass program what we do. So fee structure varies here. As a three selected program what we have is that math, science, and English in the revenue model for academics what we are doing. That also I explained it. Okay. Skill set program as I told www.sixa.com. Okay, where math, science, English, general knowledge, and okay, and we are also using electrical tools also been done. No? Computer shortly we are uploading it. Okay, we are going to do. We wanted to do online examination for abacus. We are working on that also. Okay. iabacusexam.com. Anyone can attend online exam that we are working on it. Okay. So as I told you, we have got teachers training program which includes 3 semester abacus, Vedic mathematics 3 semester, English 3 semester, staff, staff program, orientation program we have for teachers, teachers training phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 programs. We are certified program in understand learning disability we have. So this all these things we are doing it. So this basically we are doing with the help of another company here. Some of the programs here. Okay. See, as I told, leaderships and all, we are all software engineer professions, and uh, we have been given something around 17 years, 20 years of our life in software field, and all. Then we have come back to education field. We want to do something good for the children and provide alternative way of education to the children. So we have started this company 2015. Okay. Previously, 1 or 2 years we are working from a home. So we released a CD along with a small book and all in Vedic mathematics initial stages, self-learning CD. Then we, as we got encouraged and a lot of schools and children, parents encouraged us, we have migrated into a full-scale education company. Okay. So with 25 franchises across India, we want to make our presence felt because there are something around 4,200 assembly constituencies. So every assembly constituency, we want to have an vision flagship of franchises, and we want to provide the best of the things to the children. That's the aim. That's something what we believed it and we have been working on that. So we are also offline, online. We are most of the thing whatever is it. We are seriously we are into education segment, and we expect a lot of franchise to open up and we started catering the requirement of the children. It may be a small town, it may be a city. We are there. We want to provide this education to the children. I think this will end this. Uh, any any clarification and anything, please you can